just a small tickle in my throat. I'm sure it's just the air conditioning.
Oh? I sense it. The great pestilence has taken root here. No, wait! Doctor, it's just allergies, I promise!
Do not lie to a doctor, child. Your lungs are rife with filth and decay. I have the most effective medicine. You will feel much better very soon. Stay still. The procedure is quite delicate, but the cure is absolute. There, the cure begins. No more coughing, my patient.